This is SlideRocket. I'm going to take a look at some of its features. You can open it in your web browser. You've got your file, edit, arrange, and view across the top. These are just your basic functions. You can add text, pictures, video, clip art, charts. You can even add Twitter. And across the bottom it shows you the slides you have in your slideshow. We have 4 right here. Then on the right you can change properties of pictures and videos and other things. It's also used for transitions. Now let's get into the slideshow. Alright, now we're going to take a look at our next slide, and we're going to add some pictures to it. So let's click it on the bottom. And to add a picture, you use this toolbar on the left. You click picture, and then it takes you to Flickr. You can see it selected on the toolbar. And I'm going to look for a snowman. And once you find a picture you like, you can just double click it and it'll go into your slideshow. Then if you want to resize it, you just grab the handles and drag it. You can also rotate it using this top handle. And if you want to change any of its properties, such as the background color or its opacity, you can click on the side on this toolbar. And here we have color, transition, background color, and layout. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to add Twitter to your presentation. Let's click on the next slide. You can see I have a Twitter feed here loading, and I'm going to show you guys how to add it now. So I'll go ahead and delete this. And to add a Twitter, you go to your left toolbar and click on plugin. And you'll see this Twitter feed here. Just click on that. On the right side, you can see that it's searching for hashtags with SlideRocket. I'm going to change that to snowman. And now it's going to load feeds with the word snowman in it. You can also pull the feed down and resize it however you want. So now let's take a look at adding charts and graphs. We surveyed some people to find out what their favorite holidays were. You can see we have Christmas, Hanukkah, and Santa Lucia Day. To add another chart, you go to the left toolbar, click on chart, and I'm going to choose a line chart. You can resize it and move it around just like anything else in SlideRocket. And you can also edit the data. Here you pick whatever categories you want, and this will change the properties of the line. Next we're going to take a look at videos.
So this is one of the more unique features about SlideRocket, is that you can add video to your presentation. To add video, you come over here on your left hand side and you click on video. Up here in your toolbar you click on YouTube, and you have the URL loaded in this toolbar right here, and you press enter, and the video will load onto your slide.
Look! The hat's back! Let's see if it'll make Frosty alive again.
So once you have your video loaded, you can come over here and edit it. You can adjust the volume. You can press play, pause, rewind whenever you want the video to start and end. And that's how you add video. So now that we've gone over all the ways to use SlideRocket, I'm going to explain a few reasons why SlideRocket is a better program to use than PowerPoint for a professional presentation. As you can see, it's a lot more organized than PowerPoint is. You have all of your features in your toolbox right here. When you want to add a picture, there's many different options you can use. You can use Flickr, you can use Marketplace. For companies, they probably want more professional looking photos. So these photos you have to purchase. But as you do more presentations in SlideRocket, you start to build a library. So you can reuse these photos that you've purchased, or even ones that you've taken yourself, or photos that you've uploaded. As far as video goes, all we have is YouTube. And then for charts, you can add many different charts. There's tables. And you can adjust the tables, number of columns, number of rows. I know in PowerPoint it's more difficult than that. There's the Twitter plugin. There's also these different options with quotes, and you can add things like snow. And then there's the form and poll option, and what this is you're able to check the progress of your presentation as far as other people viewing it or how effective it is. And what it does is you can make a survey with just a few questions, and people will respond, and what it does is it uploads that data into graphs so that you or your company can know how effective your presentation is being. So those are just a few reasons why SlideRocket is a more professional way to do presentations.